Hi guys, today I've got 4 really quick and easy half up, half down hairstyles for you. To start, we're starting with this beautiful wavy style. To start, we're going to take the crown section of the hair and we're just going to bring this to the back and tie it together with a clear elastic band. Next, apply some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then gently loosen everything up by pinching and pulling at the hair. Now we're going to use the hair from this little ponytail and we're going to take 1-inch sections and we're just going to twist this towards the head and we're going to anchor it on the left hand side of that elastic band. Then bring the twist over to the opposite side of the elastic band and secure it with another bobby pin. Take more texture spray and apply it to that twist and gently pinch and pull. Now take a new 1-inch section of hair from that ponytail and incorporate the tail ends from the previous section. And again we're going to twist it towards the head, but this time we're going to anchor it on the right hand side. And then bring it over to the left hand side and anchor it to the head with another bobby pin. Apply your spray and pinch and pull at that twist. And we're just going to repeat this process until we run out of hair from that ponytail. So take a new section and incorporate the tail ends of your previous section. Twist it towards the head. Anchor it on the left hand side. Bring it over to the right hand side and pin it to the head again. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull for volume. So I've used 4 sections from this ponytail. So taking that last section, twist it towards the head again, bring it over to the opposite side. Then apply your spray and pinch and pull. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. The second hairstyle is very simple and can be worn with straight or curly hair. To start, I'm going to gather the top of the head, leaving a little out at the front, and we're going to do this on both sides. Use a dressing out brush to smooth it to the back of the head, and then all we're going to do is twist that hair to the right. Now gently push that twist upwards to create a little bit of height and just use your fingers to smooth out any lumps and bumps. Next, just loosen up the sides by gently pulling on them. Now we're just going to secure the twist to the head using a few bobby pins. So take your bobby pin and make sure that you catch a little bit of hair from the twist and then rotate it back on itself so you catch a little bit of hair from the scalp and then push it underneath the twist to hide it. I've only used 3 pins on this whole hairstyle. Now take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And we're just going to spray that across the top of the head. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up and create a nice bit of volume and texture. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. For the third style, it's a beautiful twisted half up, half down. To start, we're going to section out the crown area of the hair and then just tie this at the back using a clear elastic band. Add some texture spray over this section. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then all we're going to do is pinch and pull at the hair to give it a nice textured look. Now, working on the front, I'm going to leave some hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to take a small slice of hair from the hairline and bring this round to the back, and I'm going to take the same size section on the opposite side, tie these together at the back, and then all we're going to do is flip the ends through to create a twist. Now reach a couple of fingers up and through that twist and then rotate them so they're pointing downwards. Grab that ponytail and pull it through the little hole we've made, and then just tighten everything up by pulling on the edge of that twist. Then just loosen up those twists by pinching and pulling at the edges. And we're just going to repeat this step one more time. So take a small slice of hair from the left and the right hand side of the head, bring them around to the back and join them together with a clear elastic band. Flip the ends so you've created another twist, and then reach 2 fingers up through that twist, pointing upwards. Rotate your whole hand so it now points down, and use your fingers to grab hold of that ponytail and pull it through the hole. And then just pull on the edges underneath the elastic to tighten everything up. Again, pinch and pull on the twists on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And for the final hairstyle, we've got this voluminous curly half up, half down hairstyle. To start, we're going to curl all the hair. I'll pop the curling wand I'm using in the description below for you. I'm just taking 1-inch sections and wrapping these around the curling tong. And then the next section I take, I make sure I wrap it around in the opposite direction. Curl all of the hair and pop it into a side parting. Now using your thumbs, we're just going to gather up the crown area of the hair, smooth this back and tie it into a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. Apply some texture spray all over the crown. Again, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description, and then gently pinch and pull the crown for a bit of texture. Now I'm taking a topsy tail tool and I'm popping it in upside down so the loop's at the bottom just behind that elastic band. Pass the tail ends through the loop, take hold of the topsy tail tool and pull it all the way through so you've created an upside down twist. And then just clip this ponytail out of the way for later. Next, we're going to take some hair from the top of the head that follows around the side of the crown. Bring this towards the back and just clip it away for now. We're going to take the same section on the opposite side, bring these both together around the back of the head and secure them together with another clear elastic band. Add some texture spray to those new sections and we're just again going to pinch and pull so it matches the texture on the top. And repeat this on both sides. Next, add some more texture spray to your curls and rake your fingers through. Release that top ponytail from its clip and we're just going to push the little ponytail forward and we're just going to pop a couple of bobby pins making a crisscross shape to hold it to the scalp. So put one in from the right hand side and then one in from the left hand side. Add a couple of inches of back comb just above those bobby pins and then flip that little ponytail back over. Spend a minute or two just smoothing out the top section. Add some texture spray to that little ponytail. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments section which was your favourite style.